Hit it, boys.
I'm Sébastien, this is Olivier. We are the co-founders of Brussels Beer Project. About half of the brewery was funded by our community with a crowdfunding. We came up with the idea of giving 12 beers every year for life. I think they're pretty happy with the deal. Here we have a very experimental brewery. We brew one new beer every 10 days. That's only available in our tap room here in Brussels, in Tokyo and Paris. And then the best of them are upgraded to a beer of the month. And then every year we do sort of a playoff. We invite all our community and they try all the 4 prototypes. We just basically select which one is the best. And so this beer is an all-star beer. And so now we have 5 all-star beers. Why I think people are excited by new ideas. Of course, the food waste is a big hot topic. The element that was most wasted in Brussels was bread. And then the idea is that the ancestor of beer was liquid bread, so we could just do beer with bread, and so that's what we did. So we made the first food waste beer, if you want, and we recycle 1 ton of bread per month. The first beer, Delta, is our, it's a rock star. It was the first of our beers, so it also has an emotional link for us. It's a good symbol for what we do. It's a Saison IPA, so there is maybe some traditional roots, but at the end of the day it's a new style. The story and the taste of this beer I like the most, and if I had to pick one beer, it's Delta. What I love the most about brewing beer is that it's limitless possibilities. You can do anything you like. I think the limitation is your own imagination, and that's what I love about brewing beer.